Hello students, good morning. Today we will learn a poem, Character of a Happy Life, from poetry portion of our textbook, and its composer is Sir Henry Wotton, whose life was extended from 1568 to 1639. Here, Sir Henry Wotton, a famous scholar and critic of the 17th century, was born in 1568. He was educated at Winchester and entered the Middle Temple of Quality for practicing practicing at the bar. He was not only a poet but also a diplomat. So he was made agent and secretary to the Earl of Essex. He was ambassador at the court of Venice. He was also employed on various other diplomatic missions from 1604 to 1624. John Donne and Jack Walton, famous writers at the time, were his notable friends. His famous writings are Character of a Happy Life, on his mistress, the Queen of Bohemia, and you meaner beauties of the night. So here, look at the about the poem. According to Sir Henry Wotton, the life of a truly happy man is marked by true freedom of thought, righteousness, honesty, truth, simplicity, faith, carefreeness, and self-contentment. He is always free from jealousy, ill will, and worldly anxieties. He prays to God daily, he envies none, he passes his time in the company of good book or a good friend. He is the Lord of himself and master of all he surveys. He may be poor, but morally he is always great. Now this is poem. How happy is he born or taught, that serve not another's will, whose armour is his honest thought, and simple truth his utmost skill, whose passions not his masters are, whose soul is still prepared for death, untied unto the world with care of princely love or vulgar breath. Who hath his life who hath his life from rumours freed, whose conscience is his strong retreat, whose state can neither flatterers feed, nor ruin make oppressors greet, who envies none whom chance doth raise, nor wise who never understood how deepest wounds are given with praise, nor rules of state but rules of good, who God doth late and early pray, more of his grace than gifts to lend, who entertains the harmless day with a well-chosen book or friend. This man is free from servile bands of hope to rise or fear to fall. Lord of himself, though not of lands, and having nothing he hath all. So, dear students, प्रिय छात्र एवं छात्राएं, आप लोग इसको ध्यान से सुनकर प्रोनाउंसिएट करना सीखें, कौन सा वर्ड कैसे बोला जाता है। और जैसा कि आप लोगों को पहले ही बताया जा चुका है कि पोयम की बहुत ज़्यादा ग्रामेटिकली मेथड से नहीं लिखा जाता है, और इसमें कुछ ऐसे शब्द हैं जो इंग्लिश में बदल जाते हैं, यानी जब हम उनका शुद्ध इंग्लिश में प्रयोग करते हैं तो थोड़ा सा उनका रूप परिवर्तित हो जाता है। इस चीज़ को ध्यान में रखें, और हमने मीनिंग में लिखा भी है उस चीज़ को। सो ओके।